Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Continuing along with this new pad that we're making for the camper. There's a lot of water that comes off this hill. So in order to back up in this area without having a big ditch, got to put a culvert in. And it's a 12-inch culvert, and it's like 15 inches on the outside. Again, the backhoe, boy, the backhoe sure does come in handy. So I'm going to make a little accumulation pit up on the right-hand side that'll catch the water coming down the hill and off the banking, and funnel it down to the other culvert. Here's the other culvert. You can just barely see it. It's underneath the bucket. I had to fill that in a little bit so I could use the backhoe and get through there. I'm going to reposition the camera so you can get a little better view, and I'll be right back. As you can see, I've got it about, it'll be about 6 inches down, and then once I cover this whole area with gravel, it'll be another 4 or 6 inches, so it'll be probably a foot down. Right in this area right here, I'm going to funnel everything down in so it can go into the culvert, and yeah, this should work out all right. So, stay tuned, I'm still digging. All right, water task. Water lady Linda's going to pour water down it.
Hello.
Whenever you're ready. Yep. Say it works just the way it's supposed to work. Okay, so I've got the culvert buried back in. I've kind of opened this area, made a little bit of a swale. Water ending this culvert will come from directly behind me, which is uphill. There's a bit of a swale also behind me that will funnel down into this area. And there's also, when I move down, the well that I use is way up this hill. And maybe you can see way up there. So in the springtime, the runoff overflow from that well is, there's a lot of overflow, and that comes right down this hill and used to go across the driveway. Well, now that will be funneled down into this culvert. And it's all in an effort because the new pad that I'm making for the camper, I want that to stay dry. Now the water will be draining down from here, and I'll go on the other end and give you a look. Here's the end of the culvert where it exits, and you can see it's an open trough a little bit, and then it goes into another culvert because I have to get into my driveway down there. Alright, and this is looking uphill back into the woods where the water is going to be draining from. So a culvert's a really pretty easy thing to put in. I think the biggest thing you might concern yourself with is frost and how heavy a traffic is going over the culvert. In this case, the heaviest thing's my camper or my pickup, so it's not going to get abused too badly. She's going to end up being down at least a foot, so I think this will work out pretty well. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please give me a like and a subscribe. Give me that thumbs up, and hit the bell icon if you'd like, and that'll let you know when I put a video. I've been pretty steady at putting a video up every week. So anyway, till next time, thanks for watching.